Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's just gonna be a pretty chill spa day at home. Everything will be linked down in the bottom that I use. I use this Joico purple shampoo and conditioner set. It's a really deep purple color and it helps to get rid of the brassy tones. Here I'm just demonstrating how I would use this shampoo brush with my shampoo. Please enjoy that scene there of me scientifically figuring out if I'm in the shot. I'm going to start after my shower with detangling my hair using my Tangle Teaser comb and then putting on some Burt's Bees chapstick. And then I go in with some Aveda Damage Remedy leave-in conditioner as well as this Prep Rally detangling and prepping spray, and I'm obsessed with the way it smells. Sometimes I use my Tom's antiperspirant or this new nude deodorant. I use my Tom's if I have a really chill day just at home, which during Corona, that's pretty much all we have. The nude I use if I'm actually going anywhere. I then take my Biore pore strips that everybody knows and loves. For one of them, I cut off the little curve part, which would be the tip of your nose, but I cut it off so I can then put it on my chin. I do also use a towel that I run under hot water to steam my pores open a little bit more. I then use these Nads facial wax strips. I've been using these for I don't know how many years. I take one strip and I cut it twice. So then I have 4 pieces, but each of the pieces has 2 sides. I warm up the wax strip in between my palms. And then I just take one of the pieces and make sure to line the edge up with where I want my brows to be. And then I just rip them all off. Look at all that hair. Look at all that hair. Yoink. You'll see me do this with my legs as well. After I pull the strip, I kind of dab it on the skin if there was any extra wax that didn't get picked up. It's the best way to get the excess wax off your skin. Take the extras and just put everything in the box and it holds forever. Just keep it in a dry place. Here's me explaining that my pore strips didn't work because it was too hot. So now we know when it's hot and you're a little sweaty in the bathroom post-shower, the Biore pore strips won't stick. Typically I prefer to use a facial oil for this process, but I just used a serum I had on hand. I realized I'm just essentially shaving my entire face, but it helps to get the dead skin cells off, and I mean the hair as well, but that's not really what my purpose is. Oh, I cut my face shaving for the first time. Do I get my penis now? I have this clean towel that I use throughout the process. I use it to open up my pores for extractions and the blackhead strips, and it gets pretty gross, but make sure you have a clean side of the towel every time you use it. My chin is my problem area. I hope you can see all the terrible pores, but I do extractions pretty often because otherwise it would be a mess. I just use some witch hazel to seal all my pores back up after I'm done with that. I then get my Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, which is really good in the summertime for cooling down your face, really calming it down, taking care of any inflammation, especially after being out in the sun. I use this Flamingo brand leg wax strips. I've never used these before, but the packaging seemed a little ridiculous. There's no point for a box within a box. I just slap them on there and rip them off. It works really well for me. I will say though, as a woman who doesn't have that much leg hair, it only grows on one side too. I only have leg hair on the front side of my legs. I don't really have hair on the back of my leg. But this one box of wax strips, essentially I was only able to do the fronts of both of my legs. So for anybody else, it would be one leg. So just keep that in mind. You will need multiple boxes. We always use Arm & Hammer toothpaste because I think it's the most whitening. I then go in with my Curology moisturizer. And then you're gonna get your spoons and you're just gonna nice and slow massage them over your face. It's really relaxing doing this. And then I put some under eye cream as well as my Physicians Formula vitamin C stick. Always drink water. And then I zhuzh my hair a little bit. Zhuzh it. And I'm good to go.